Hello guys, this is Nicholas and today we're going to talk about conditional 0 and conditional 1. Let's remember that all conditionals have a situation and a consequence, okay? Situation and a consequence. So let's start with conditional 0. So conditional 0 expresses true facts and gives instructions, okay? So this is the grammatical structure for you to follow. We have if, see, we have the subject or the person, we have present simple, we have comma, it's important the comma, the punctuation, subject and present simple again. So remember, situation, consequence. So if you don't study, you fail the exam. If you don't study, you fail the exam. Si tú no estudias, tú pierdes el examen. Okay? If you don't study, you fail the exam. Okay? Let's continue with other examples. If she reads books, she learns a lot. Si ella lee libros, ella aprende mucho. Okay? If you get sick, you go to the doctor. Okay? Si te enfermas, tú vas al doctor. Okay? It's super simple. Remember that conditional 0 is if, present simple, comma, present simple. Okay? Let's continue with conditional 1. With conditional 1, we have the same. We have a situation and we have a consequence. So, conditional 1 expresses consequences that can happen in the future. So we have if, subject, present simple, subject, and future. This time is future. For example, if you eat vegetables, you will be healthy. Okay? Si tú comes vegetales, tú estarás saludable. Healthy, saludable. Now, will be, el verbo ser o estar. Okay? Will be, estarás. So, you will be healthy. Okay? Now, here we have some other examples. If you take care in the quarantine, you will be healthy. Si te cuidas en la cuarentena, tú estarás sano o saludable. Okay? Other example. If you speak English in class, we will have positive points. If we speak English in class, we will have positive points. Okay? Very good. Remember that will is the auxiliary verb for future. Okay? Will have, tendrás. Will be, serás. Okay? For example, will eat, comerás. Okay? Very good. Let's continue. If she doesn't work, she won't buy a car. Si ella no trabaja, ella no comprará un carro. So the negative form for will is won't. Okay? Very good. This is a very simple topic that you can remember and always bear in mind that with all conditionals we have a situation and a consequence. Okay? I'll see you soon, guys. Goodbye.